Hi, I'm Mike Duval. Today, we're going to get schooled on aFe Advanced Flow Engineering's total power package for the 2007 to 09 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, if you own one of these vehicles, you know that the 3.8 liter V6 in stock trim is more than adequate for the job. But as soon as you stick on an aftermarket suspension, larger tires, load it up, suddenly that 3.8 becomes somewhat anemic. Now, fortunately, aFe has a solution for this. We're going to have a stainless steel 3-inch catback free-flowing exhaust system, a full replacement intake system with a free-flowing intake, silver bullet CNC machine throttle body spacer for the maximum flow that we can get in this system. Now we're going to put these accessories on today, and before we do that we're going to get this on the dyno and get some real numbers before, and then we're going to get the numbers after, so we'll have a good comparison of what we actually gained.
So after that OEM run, we got, as far as the weather correction factor on both, we did 137 on max horsepower, and then on torque we did 155.
Very good. So, all right, 137 on the power and 155 on the torque before.
Yeah.
So let's go get the accessories installed and see what we come back with.
Perfect.
Can't
Cool.
wait.
Good deal. All right.
First thing we're going to do is get the factory air box out of the way. Loosen the hose clamp. Junk. Next, remove the bottom of the box, which basically just takes a tug. It's snapped into some grommets. What do you call this junk? Make sure you get the intake air sensor out, because you're going to have to reinstall that in the aFe unit. The throttle body is a pretty simple piece to install. It's just a matter of taking out the 4 factory bolts, installing the spacer, and putting it in with the new replacement bolts. Now, the aFe throttle body, silver bullet throttle body spacer has a serrated entry, and here what that does is that reduces the amount of whistling that's commonly associated with throttle body spacers. All ready for the air box. Intake air temperature sensor reinstalled in this hose. Last, not least, certainly important, drop your air filter into place, set your clamp. Final touch, we install the air cover. aFe supplies a label, says stop, do not replace cleanable lifetime air filter, because this is the last air filter you're ever going to buy. And that's it, good to go. Spray all the rubber hangers and get all the connectors with a good penetrating oil. That's where the penetrating oil came in handy. Now we're just going to start building the system basically from the front to the back. Now, this is aFe's high tuck system. The tailpipe is tucked up in here as far as you can without sacrificing any clearances. It gives you a little gain in the back as far as your off-road capabilities. So all our parts are on, and we're all set to go back over the dyno. So the big question in everybody's mind, does it work? One thing I can tell you before we even go over to the dyno for the secondary numbers is that these guys here at aFe, they don't build any part, nothing gets out until their team's 100% satisfied that it provides performance gains. So let's go over to the dyno and let's see what the real numbers are, and then let's get a seat of the pants drive afterwards. Okay, so now we got all our stuff on. How we do this time?
Cool. This time here we're looking at max power again, 147 with the weather correction factor, and torque 208.
That's
yeah,
some big gains.
Yeah,
huh?
you can definitely feel it off that bottom end. So
very good.
Nice.
Well, I can't wait to drive it and see what it does.
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
Let's go.
Cool.
Holy smokes! Yeah, this thing woke up considerably. It's like a whole nother vehicle. Now check back often at www.afepower.com for more episodes on different installs and more of the aFe line.